Hey there again, Erica Swarthy Daisy here. Quick video looking at the Jethro 4G simple bar phone and its model SC490. And this is a phone that I purchased for my mom, and it is a simple, basic phone. And the cost of the phone was $79.99. You can find this phone at Amazon.com as well. I'll make sure to link it below, but you can also purchase it directly through Jethro Mobile at jethromobile.com. For my order, it arrived in a priority mail envelope through USPS. And this device is a Jethro Mobile device in new condition, and it is also considered a feature phone. It does have 4G, and it is a bar style phone. It has a 2.8-inch screen and a simple menu. It also has large buttons with speed dial feature. Also has an emergency assistance button, as well as it is hearing aid compatible. It says M4/T4. It also has a long-lasting battery, like I mentioned, 4G LTE, a flashlight, a 2-megapixel camera, Bluetooth, an FM radio, an alarm, and a micro SD card slot. Now, taking a look at the plans, Jethro Mobile does offer 30-day plans. They range from $20 to $45, but I decided to get my mom a basic plan, which is $5 for 30 days. They also have $10 on up to $100, and that's $100 for 365 days. Her $5 plan has 150 talk minutes and 150 text messages. So I did go ahead and activate a new SIM card for her phone because I wanted her to be on Jethro Mobile. As you might know, my last video I explained that she was on Mint Mobile, but she used 0 minutes the whole year. So I was like, never mind that. We'll go ahead and do something cheaper and more, to her needs. So as you see, they have a bring your own phone activation kit. Or you can, of course, put their SIM card in. So it's the same situation. It's the SIM card that they send you. You can put it in your own device, or you can put it in the device that you purchased through them. And this is a 3-in-1 SIM. So it comes with the Nano, Micro, and Standard SIM card. It is a no contract, no commitment plan. And as it mentions here, plans are sold separately, and it does give you nationwide coverage. So it says coverage on America's largest GSM network. And when you'll see in a minute, when I turn the phone on, it will show that it is on the T-Mobile network. And in the frequently asked questions section, they asked about bringing your own phone. So yes, like I mentioned, you can purchase their SIM and their plans and bring your own phone or use your own phone on this service. You can also keep your phone number, so you can port your phone number to Jethro Mobile, but I, in this instance, chose to get her a brand new phone number. It also mentions international calling, so it says for Canada, Puerto Rico, and U.S. Virgin Islands, simply dial the area code plus phone number. And for other international countries, simply dial 011 plus the country code plus area code and the phone number. So that's interesting to note. It says, what is auto charge? So you can also have it to auto reload your funds, so you don't have to think about it, which is great. And that is the option I chose for my mom's phone as well. So flipping over to the back and taking a look at why Jethro Mobile, it says no contracts, strong coverage, no hidden fees, and you can keep your own phone. Now looking at the front of the device, basically you have the earpiece toward the top, then you have the main display, and toward the bottom you have all of your keys, including the menu key. Then you have the navigation keys. You also have a go back or speaker button. You have your green for talk, you have your red for stop or turning it on and off, and then of course you have your number pad keys. And then turning the device over, you'll see that you have your camera on the left side as well as a flash. Then toward the right, you have speaker grills for your speaker. And then slightly toward the center, you have the SOS key. On the top right side of the device, you have a lanyard hole. And then toward the bottom, you have the back cover removal cutout. So that is where you can insert your fingernail to remove the back cover, to insert the battery, the SIM card, micro SD, etc. Then looking on the opposite side, you see there is the micro USB connector insert for the charging cable. And then you also have the headphone jack. Now we'll go ahead and look at the accessories for the device. So the first thing we have here is the charging brick for the device. And as you see, it has the USB input. And next we have the micro USB charging cord. And then you have your charging dock for the device. And then you have your lithium ion battery, which is 3.7 volts, which is 1600 milliamps. And as mentioned before, you can use your nail to remove the back cover. And once removed, you'll see the slots for the micro SD card, the SIM cards, as well as the battery. Now that the battery is in, we'll go ahead and power up the device. We'll press and hold the red button. Now that it's on, you see that it is powered by T-Mobile and it has larger numbers and letters on the screen. So this would be good for senior users as well as users that might have a visual impairment, or just general users who prefer larger sized numbers and letters on a screen while they're using their phone. And toggling through, we see we have contacts, messaging, photo dial, call history, multimedia, tools, SOS, camera, and settings. Taking a quick look through multimedia, we have pictures, videos, music, and FM radio. Now taking a look under tools, we have a calculator, alarm, a calendar, timer, stopwatch, world clock, and file manager. Now looking at the camera feature, we're going to take a quick picture and look at the quality of the image. Now taking a brief look at settings, you have network and internet, you have connected devices, apps and notifications, you have battery information, you have the display, you have sound, you have storage, security and location, and system. I want to make a quick note about inputting information. As you see here, I am inputting names for the contacts. At the bottom of the screen, it displays several options. So if you press one of the numbers once, it'll show you one set of options. Press it again, it'll show you a group of other options. So it was kind of different trying to input the information for names for contacts, but of course it's something you can get used to. But you have to press the number and then toggle over to the actual letter or number or symbol you're trying to enter. And when you're done having fun with your new device, all you have to do is plug in the micro USB cord into the charging dock, and then of course the USB in into the charging brick. Put it into the wall, place the device in there, and it will charge from there. So if you want to activate your prepaid service, you have to go to jethromobile.com/activation, insert your SIM card into your phone, power up the phone, and then you have joined. So my overall thoughts is that this device is really simple to use. It has some pretty decent features. Of course, the 2-megapixel camera is not going to be the best. Of course, the video quality on the camera is also not going to be the best. But other than that, the cool features include the FM radio. As long as you have headphones to input into the headphone jack, you can listen to the radio. It also has an alarm, like I mentioned earlier, and a flashlight. So it's very convenient, in addition to giving you a simple experience for a phone. So once again, this is Erica Swarthy Daisy. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to leave a comment and let us know what you think about this Jethro phone and service, as well as make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. And lastly, make sure to share. Thanks for watching. Bye.